So, as we begin this kind of semester, one of the things that I want you to do in this class is we're going to have to communicate with each other, okay? We need you to express your opinion. And the reason we need you to express your opinion is that none of you have the same opinion, right? And so when we ask a question, there are 7 different or 8 different possibilities of how it might be responded, and the other people in the classroom need to hear you because they need to learn from you, they need to grow from you. And so we're going to do a little experiment that I call a peanut butter and jelly sandwich to indicate that most of us have an idea about something, but it's not near like anybody else. So you have in front of you some various utensils. You have a 1 and a 2. We'll tell you about what those are for. You have 2 brown pieces of paper. You have soft, squishy things. So these are squishy, you can feel them. They're kind of nice textural things. And then we have a thin and a thick slice. So I'm going to ask you 4 questions about peanut butter jelly sandwiches, and you're just going to pick and choose from that. All right, so the first question we have to decide, you've got your peanut butter in mind, is do you prefer crunchy or creamy? So if you prefer crunchy, pick up this piece of paper and set the other one aside, and so that we can go from that. So crunchy or creamy? Yes, you probably have to make a decision on that, okay? Second question, grape or strawberry? Grape or strawberry? Okay? All right, here's the real trick. Do you put the peanut butter on 1 slice of bread or on both slices of bread? 1 slice or 2 slices? The final question is, what kind of bread do you like to use? Do you like that thin, squishy kind of Wonder Bread where it just kind of fits together, or do you like nice, thick, substantial bread, right? So if you like thin bread, go like this. If you like good, thick, solid bread, pick this one out. And then let's begin to see who has what. So, who agrees with me? Who likes creamy? If you're creamy, go ahead and stand up. Okay? So when we talk about a peanut butter sandwich, you can see that most of you have some idea about the peanut butter, but there's 3 people who disagree. Okay? So if you're creamy and thick bread, stay standing. Oh, we lose one there, right? If you're creamy and 2 pieces of bread, stay standing. Oh, right? Now you can go ahead and sit down because we're still not identical. All right, so we're going to find out if Bailey has the right answer or not. Are you strawberry or grape? Okay, so see, nobody agrees with me. We all have different opinions about what a peanut butter jelly sandwich is, and that's why we have to talk to each other and share those ideas. Right? So throughout the semester, we're going to do a lot of discussions. It's very important that you participate. Not to have your voice heard or to try and get the right answer. You need to participate because the other people need to know what kind of peanut butter jelly sandwich you make. They need to know that you think about something differently. Okay? I'm going to put a diagram on the board that I'll refer to a lot. And we're going to call that the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So we have an idea in our head, right? And when I talk about that, then the only thing you have to bring to the discussion is what you already know, right? So you have pre-knowledge that impacts how you affect that. And so when I ask a question, all you have to do is, or to know what to say, is your pre-knowledge. That's all you have. It's all anybody has, right? But if 5 people will express their view, then all of a sudden you've acquired knowledge from other people. You've acquired knowledge. You are smarter. So we have ideas in our head already, but sometimes we acquire the knowledge. And then the next time we come around to talking about a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you may have said, I used to only like it on 1 piece of bread. But now I tried it. I like 2 pieces of bread. because then the jelly doesn't just squish into the bread and it kind of stays there. And it's better for the calories, right? Get more peanut butter on it. And that's what we call when we process the knowledge. So what we're going to do in this class so much is ask questions, of which all you have to deal with is your pre-knowledge. But as we converse and talk about it, you're going to acquire knowledge. And then over time, you're going to think about it and think about it some more, and then you're going to process that, and it will change your pre-knowledge, your presupposition, the things that you know. And so that's what the class is going to be about, and so I'm glad that you're going to join us for the rest of the semester. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good. We're going to have fun, but you have to talk in class. This is a class where you have to talk, right? And you can't sit on the back row or the front row after today. You have to sit in the middle row so that you're close to people, and you can't sit by yourself, and you cannot sit by the same person 2 days in a row. How many are going, I don't like this class? Too many things, right? But it's so that you converse and you learn what other people have to think. So thank you. You can be excused now, and we're going to go on somewhere else.